So what makes this funnel builder that I'm about to show you that's free the best funnel builder? It's not actually that all the tools are under the same roof. You get sales funnels, email marketing, the ability to build a website. Of course, you can build a blog, host online courses, build communities, sell your own products, host evergreen webinars. But let's be real, just about every funnel builder out there, to include the free ones, and this one is actually free. You don't even need a credit card to get access to this and start using it and to actually make money online. But the idea that all the tools are under the same roof, let's be real, they all have all the tools that you need, and they all have their little quirks and the things that they do well and the things that they don't do so well. Again, like I said, it is free. There's a link in the description. Pop over, create your free account. Then once you're inside, you have access to what is called a freemium account. This is System.io. They give you a freemium account, meaning it has certain limitations. But the good thing about this product, not the best thing, but the good thing about this funnel builder is that you can start with free to see how everything works. Then you can move up to the startup, webinar, and our unlimited plan. The unlimited plan at $97 a month, that is the best price of all the funnel builders out there for what you get. When you go back and you look at all the tools that are available, when you log into your free account, your freemium account, you can add 2,000 contacts. That's 2,000 email leads that you can add an email for free. Now, you will need to buy a domain to set up your email sender or to set up the autoresponder to start sending on your behalf, but that's a good thing. You want that. That's for your protection, my protection, everyone's protection that uses this platform to save us from the spammers and the scammers. Sales funnels, sales funnel steps, blogs, courses, digital stores, digital store products. You only get one automation rule, and that's sort of where they get you with the freemium. But the idea here is, and I'm going to show you, the idea here is you can start with freemium and actually make money. Because really, if you follow like what I have here, when I look at my proven top strategy, which is traffic, so understanding that you first need traffic, then you need to present an offer, then you want to add people to an email list. Everything that you're doing here, after you pick your topic, the tools and the technology and the time you need, and once you start creating consistent content, these tools and the technology are all inside of System.io, and you can start for free by creating a super simple lead magnet, and then jump to adding people to an email list, and understand that you can even automate what you need to automate inside of this tool to profit with the fact that you are starting for free. It costs you nothing. Following my proven top strategy, pick a topic, generate traffic just like I've done here, and it gives you access to all the different funnels. So System.io, there's a link in the description to open your free account, no credit card required. You have access to find people or to start thinking about how you're going to find people with creating content on any of these social media platforms, and then utilize the tools inside of System.io to create a blog to utilize the function of content marketing to take people through the process of absorbing the information that you want them to understand about the problem that you've identified and take them to a solution, and also add them to an email list. You also have the standard opt-in thank you funnel. You have a sales page. You can add upsells and OTOs, sell your own product. But as an affiliate, most likely, if you just go back to my proven top strategy of generating or first understanding you need to generate traffic, and from your consistent content, just build an opt-in form on a super simple lead magnet to present your offer, and then add people to an email list to solidify the third pillar of the proven top strategy to build a profitable online business using a 9-step roadmap. System.io gives you everything that you need. And you can see here that under websites, I've used 2 of the funnels that I have in my free account, and I promoted a product called Lead Creator. You can click here and you can view and you can edit the funnel. And I'm not going to get into how to drag and drop and do all that, because it works just like all the other ones. And it has its quirks and it has its little bugs and nuances and things that will annoy you, just like any software. But the idea here is I built this squeeze page, this Lead Creator squeeze page. You can click here to view it. And when you view that, you can see here, it's super simple. It's just letting people know about Lead Creator. And it has a button here. Yes, I'm ready to grow my list with fresh leads, because this product Lead Creator, it's an AI lead magnet builder is what it does. So people clicked here and they entered their email address. And then I promoted this product called Lead Creator, an AI powered all-in-one lead magnet solution. It just recently had a launch. And you can see here, I was in the top 10 inside of the contest, I finished in the top 10, and I used this squeeze page here to generate contacts or to put leads on my list using System.io. And you can see those leads here had 30 contacts. These people were interested. They signed up through this squeeze page right here to get more information about Lead Creator. And then once I had those leads inside of System.io, I went under emails and I started sending newsletters. And here under newsletters, you can see the 16 different newsletters that I sent, and you can see the opens and the clicks and the status of when I sent them, showing you that I actually use this. I use the free version because I am on the freemium plan. I added 31 contacts in total, but 30 contacts that I added to an email list sent emails using the freemium version of System.io, and it actually worked, again, to allow me to finish 9th in the launch contest for Lead Creator. But the best part about System.io and what makes it the best funnel builder, the best free funnel builder to get started with right now, is support. The help pages, the video tutorials, and the customer support. And the even better thing, or the bestest thing about System.io, is you can get certified, meaning they have training that walks you through and shows you exactly what you need to know to master every single System.io function. And this is absolutely 100% for free. Click the link in the description, it takes you over, create your free account. If you have any questions about System.io, let me know in the comments. I'll also link to my System.io crash course. You can check that out as well to help you, to show you exactly what you need to know or what you might be missing about System.io and how to use it and how to really get started. And of course, utilizing my proven top strategy to do that as well. Link in the description. Check it out, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.